What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money online fast, free and easy in 2019. And I'm actually going to share with you 4 ways on how you can do that. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started, first and most importantly, make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information on the ways that I'm going to share with you. And secondly, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunities here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. But we save that for the end of this video because this ways is perfect to get started with to make some extra money online while you build your passive income online there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started on how to make money online fast, free and easy. Okay, so the first opportunity that we can get started with to make some money online fast, free and easy is actually becoming a tester. And I'm going to show you 2 sites here actually. Well, there is definitely much more sites that you can apply for, but I noticed that these 2 are very popular and they're easy to get signed up with. So the first site is usertesting.com. And we need to go to the section where it says get paid to test. So you can see here you can earn up to $60 per test actually. What you do is really simple. You visit a website or an app, you complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud just like I do right here now, and you get paid. So you can see here you get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites, apps, complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts aloud. So basically a company comes to a site like this, they want feedback to see what works, what they can improve on, and that's where you come in. Another site that you can do pretty much the same, but it is a bit different because we're talking about design here is you can go to usabilityhub.com. Usabilityhub.com, and big companies here like Amazon, Google, they come here because they want your opinion on their design actually. So what you need to do is you need to go to the section where it says become a tester. You will be redirected to a site called usercrowd.com. And you can see here you earn money by giving design feedback. You don't need to have any previous experience. Obviously it says it here. You don't need to be a usability expert to participate. Most test creators prefer ordinary people because they want feedback from ordinary people just like you and I. So you earn your credits here and you get paid via PayPal. So you can have a look at the details for yourself. Go to usercrowd.com straight away if you want to. Alright, the second opportunity is we can actually transcribe. Okay, this is another opportunity that is very easy and fast to get started with. One of the most popular sites here is actually transcribeme.com. So if we have a look at it real quick here, we can scroll down, and for transcriptionist you can see here become a transcriptionist. So we will actually be redirected to the account that we can create here, and you can see here no need to look for work, it comes to you, transcribe whenever and wherever actually. So you can transcribe short 2-4 minute clips or even much more of course. You can have a look at the details here for yourself. Just go to transcribeme.com. Another site very popular where you can do the exact same service is you can go to rev.com, and here you can actually apply for more. So you can actually apply for captions, you can for captioning videos, and if you had actually know a second language you can also do some subtitles if available of course. So rev.com, another very popular site actually where you can apply for these kind of services here. Have a look at the details for yourself. There's no need for me here to go through everything. So there you have your second way on how you can make money online fast, free and easy. The third one is actually take up on some kind of surveys. Okay, it is always very popular, and one site that I'm referring to here today is you can go to Vindale.com. So you can see here clearly you get paid to take surveys online. It is free, of course, to get started, and you can have a look at the details for yourself here. So you take paid surveys here, you redeem your earnings by check or PayPal. So you can see here they show you that there is members that have earned more than 6 millions actually. So definitely worth to go to this site and apply for taking surveys. Another survey site, just to give you a quick idea, is you can go to Surveys on the Go. And this is an application actually that you can download for your smartphone, available both on App Store and Google Play. Be heard, get paid. You get paid taking quick, simple surveys on all kind of topics right on your mobile device. So this is more targeted for your smartphone, but still you take the surveys and you get paid. Alright, and let's move on to opportunity number 4. Opportunity number 4 is actually taking up on some kind of data entry jobs. And the first site that we're going to have a look at today is ClickWorker. So you can see here ClickWorker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. You sign up, of course, for free. You work independently, you choose your schedule, it is flexible, and all you need is a computer and a mobile device with an internet connection, of course. So what type of jobs is that? It can be creation of text here. You can see here create informative text products, descriptions, or articles about a given topic. It can be data categorization, where you categorize the data of websites, is an example here. Some copy editing, there is a copy editor, so you check correct text to regard to content, style, and the exact implementation of the job instructions. You can also get some proofreading. There is some web research. They want you to search for some data and addresses and so on. And also surveys that we have shared here in the past. Now there is also the mystery photographers here. Who wouldn't enjoy getting paid for a weekly shopping trip, for example? Okay, you visit nearby stores, you're taking pictures of products, and you upload them at ClickWorker. And they do also have some app testing here. So you can see that there is a big variety of tasks that you can apply for here on clickworker.com. And the final alternative that I'm going to share with you here today is that you can go to Fiverr.com. This is a perfect site to sign up for as a freelancer in overall, actually. So don't limit yourself to do just one thing, okay? For example, if I go back here to ClickWorker, let's say that you do only data entry, but you can actually apply here for being a transcriber, for example. So let's see here real quick, transcribe. So if I just hit the transcribe, you can see that there is tons of people. And don't limit yourself that you only can make a small amount here. Now this is in euros. Because what you will do is there is actually packages you can see here for 14 euros. This is approximately probably at around $15, and then there is a premium here, so we're talking about transcription of 60 minutes and so on. So you will definitely make much more than just the $5 here, or the 467 in euros as it says here. So don't limit yourself. And so this lady, she probably works with transcription here. We can have a look at her profile. I'm not sure. Yeah, she only works with transcription. But what you can do is you can actually apply for, let's say that you take up on data entry, So you can see here that there is definitely available a lot of people who offer the services here. So what you need to do is you need to combine actually and offer a few of these kind of services here. Okay, so don't limit yourself, as I said. Create a profile, take the action, go ahead and apply for as many services as possible. Pretty similar, so you can have transcription, you can have data entry, for example, and something else, okay, that you think you're a good fit. It could be article writing or something like that. Alright, there you have it. This is definitely how you can make money online fast, free and easy in 2019, and I share with you 4 ways. Actually more than 4 ways. Now keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, that you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunities. If you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. Alright, if you got some value of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. You find an end screen here soon with 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both, because both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, internet marketing related tips and much more. I upload those on a consistent basis. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.